Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the file, open it in draft or normal view so you see sections clearly, and turn on the ruler and formatting marks for precision. Next, position your cursor exactly at the end of the header content. This creates a clear insertion point. Once done, use the show /hide to confirm there are no stray paragraph marks. These small checks ensure you separate header content rather than accidentally moving body text, so you won't split the wrong segment. Now you create the actual separation. With the cursor where header ends, insert a next page section break via layout breaks next page. This creates a new section that can have independent headers and footers. Once inserted, switch to draft view and verify the section break marker appears. That confirms the division. Make sure you don't use a page break. That won't separate headers and footers. If the header persists, unlinking is the next precise step to make them independent. Final step, open the header or footer in the new section and click link to previous to turn it off. This severs the connection so you can edit independently. Edit or remove content in each section's header/footer, then save and review the whole document. If the header or footer still mirrors the previous section, show formatting marks, confirm the section break is present, and reinsert a next page break if needed. That troubleshooting tip fixes the vast majority of linkage errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.